Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Delicious asparagus side dish ideas you'll want to make tonight. Asparagus is one of those side dishes that checks all the boxes. It's quick to prepare, packed with nutrients, and pairs well with nearly any meal. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or a quiet dinner at home, its versatility makes it a go-to choice. From simple roasted spears to flavorful grilled options, asparagus can easily elevate your plate while adding a healthy boost. Ready to get inspired? Let's explore delicious ways to make this vibrant veggie shine. Health benefits of asparagus. Beyond being a standout side dish, asparagus is a nutritional powerhouse that's loaded with health benefits. Its unique blend of vitamins, antioxidants, and digestive supporting properties makes it more than just a tasty addition to your plate. Let's explore why asparagus deserves a regular spot on your menu. High in key vitamins and nutrients. Asparagus is packed with essential nutrients that your body craves. Just one serving provides a significant boost of vitamin K, which supports healthy bones by aiding calcium absorption. It's also rich in folate, a B vitamin that's especially important for cell growth and DNA repair. This makes it a great choice for pregnant women or anyone looking to maintain good overall health. In addition, asparagus contains fiber, a nutrient that many people don't get enough of. Fiber helps keep you full longer, supports heart health, and plays a role in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Other nutrients, like vitamin A and vitamin C, help promote healthy skin while keeping your immune system strong. If you're trying to eat clean and fuel your body with the right stuff, asparagus is a simple way to up your intake of these key vitamins without relying on supplements. Rich in antioxidants. Did you know that asparagus is brimming with antioxidants? These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Glutathione, one of the standout antioxidants in asparagus, is often called the master antioxidant because it supports detoxification and overall cellular health. On top of that, asparagus is a good source of vitamins E and C, which work together to combat oxidative stress and keep inflammation at bay. Adding more antioxidant-rich foods like asparagus to your meals is an easy way to boost your body's defenses naturally, keeping you feeling and looking your best. Supports digestive health. If you've ever heard that asparagus is good for your gut, there's science to back it up. This veggie is a natural source of both fiber and prebiotics, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. The fiber in asparagus helps promote regularity by keeping things moving along smoothly. Plus, prebiotics act as food for the good bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to more than just better digestion. It can even support your immune system and improve your mood. Having trouble dealing with bloat or feeling sluggish after meals? Incorporating a fiber-rich vegetable like asparagus could be part of the solution. It's one small change with big payoffs for your overall well-being. As you can see, asparagus is much more than a side dish. It's a nutritional ally. Essential ingredients to pair with asparagus. Asparagus is a versatile vegetable with a distinct flavor profile that can be enhanced by pairing it with the right ingredients. Whether you're aiming for a simple preparation or an indulgent dish, choosing the right oils, spices, proteins, and sauces can make all the difference. Let's break it down into the essentials. Enhancing flavor with oils and spices. The secret to elevating asparagus often lies in the basics. A drizzle of the right oil or a sprinkle of the perfect spice can take it from good to irresistible. Oils. Extra virgin olive oil is a classic choice. Its rich, fruity flavor complements asparagus, especially when roasted or grilled. Want a nuttier undertone? Try sesame oil, which pairs exceptionally well with Asian-inspired dishes. For something more indulgent, a drizzle of truffle oil can add an earthy, gourmet flair. Spices. Garlic powder is a must-have for a punch of savory depth, especially when combined with a squeeze of fresh lemon. If you prefer something bold, paprika adds a smoky kick that works wonders on roasted asparagus. Don't forget a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a subtle heat, or ground cumin for a warm, earthy twist. Seasoning your asparagus thoughtfully brings out its natural flavors while giving it a personalized touch. Pairing with proteins. Asparagus isn't just a side dish, it's also a great partner for proteins, creating balanced meals that feel complete without being heavy. Chicken, grilled or baked chicken, is a no-fail option. The mild flavor of chicken lets the asparagus shine while adding a hearty protein to your plate. Fish, pair asparagus with salmon, cod, or trout for a light, healthful meal. The buttery texture of salmon, for instance, tastes heavenly alongside roasted or steamed asparagus. Tofu, for plant-based eaters, tofu is a natural partner. Marinate it with soy sauce, garlic, or ginger, then pan-fry or bake for a dish that highlights asparagus's subtle sweetness. Combining asparagus with the right protein isn't just about flavor, it's about creating meals that feel satisfying and wholesome. Accompanying sauces and dressings. A great sauce or dressing can tie your entire dish together, turning simple asparagus into something extraordinary. Hollandaise. This creamy, buttery sauce is a classic match for asparagus, especially when served steamed or lightly blanched. It's indulgent and perfect for special occasions. Lemon butter sauce. For something lighter yet still luxurious, opt for a lemon butter sauce. The bright citrus cuts through the richness, highlighting asparagus's freshness. Balsamic glaze. A drizzle of balsamic glaze adds a tangy sweetness that pairs beautifully with roasted asparagus. For extra flair, scatter a few shaved parmesan pieces on top after glazing. Yogurt-based dressings. Want a healthier option? A garlic and dill yogurt sauce provides a creamy yet refreshing contrast to asparagus, making it a great choice for warm spring or summer meals. Experimenting with different sauces lets you explore endless flavor possibilities while complementing asparagus's naturally crisp and earthy notes. When paired with the right ingredients, asparagus can transform into something truly unforgettable. The balance of oil, spice, protein, and sauce will add variety to your table without overcomplicating your menu. That's it for part 1. I hope you're feeling inspired to try out these simple asparagus ideas. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll show you even more delicious ways to prepare asparagus. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.